Hey guys, today I'm making a healthy bitter melon curry. People often think it tastes bitter, but when cooked right, it turns delicious. Great for blood pressure and digestion. Let's get started. Let's start by washing all the vegetables. Here you will need 2 bitter melons, 1 large tomato, and 1 large potatoes. You can add 2 green chilies if you like. While chopping, please keep in mind they are not too big, not too small. The bitter melon has to be perfectly sliced, not thin nor thin, like medium, perfect sliced. And similarly, slice the potatoes as well. Chop green chilies. Slice the potatoes similar to bitter melon. You can chop your tomatoes roughly as we're grinding it. Over the medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and add cumin seeds to it. Let them sizzle and release their aroma. In the meantime, you can grind your tomatoes with green chili and make a paste of it. Then add your chopped bitter melons and fry them. Cook for a while and then add salt to taste. I have added around 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, the bitter melon releases water and becomes tender. While I'm cooking my curry, I have got a pot of lentil soup boiling on the side. It's the perfect pairing for this dish with rice or roti. Fry the bitter melons until golden and set aside in a bowl. In the same pan, add your chopped potatoes and cook them for a few minutes. To fry the potatoes, add little bit of oil. Add just a pinch of turmeric for color and flavor. Cook the potatoes until golden. When the potatoes are done, add them to the bowl with the bitter melon. Now add the ground tomato paste to the same pan and simmer it gently. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin coriander powder. Once the oil starts to separate, add the bitter melon and potatoes to the pan. Stir well and cook until the curry comes together and leaves the sides of the pan. Move it to a serving bowl and enjoy it as a healthy side with rice or roti. Sprinkle some sesame seed on top and make it delicious. Enjoy your delicious bitter melon curry. Don't forget to follow for more healthy and tasty recipes. See you next time.